Hey guys, welcome in today's video. So in our yesterday's video, I had told you the step after letter sound. You must introduce the concept of vowels and consonant. Then you start the blending with the kids, the two-letter blending, in which you have blend all the consonants with each vowel. So in yesterday's video we did that, and tomorrow I'm telling you the second step of this two words blending. So this step where you match a consonant with a vowel are called CV words. CV words means consonant and vowel words. Today we will do the VC words. It means first vowel and then consonant. So I will tell you how you can do this. Okay. So for that, what you have to tell your kid now? Now tell your kid to blend each vowel with each consonant. Now for your first vowel is A and the sound is A. So in our today's video we are going to blend vowel A with each consonant. This will help you in CVC word or family words. Okay. So this step is most important. A. So we are going to mix A with B. A, B. Ab. A, K. Ak. A, D. Ad. A, F. A, F, G, egg, H, Okay. Next is after H, which letter comes? That is vowel. I is a vowel, so we will skip I. We will do J. A, J, A, J, edge, A, K. Egg, 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 a, l, l, a, l, l, a, am, a, a, an, a, p. App, 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 and qu, aqu, a, r. So when R comes with A, its sound changes with R later. Comes with R, its sound is R. Where we are going to learn it at the third step of phonics after 2 years. So first, you doesn't mean the word. We are just going to learn the kids blending. So if the word is meaningful, it's okay. If the word is not meaningful, let him blend, and we will introduce that as a ghost letter. Okay. S, A, T, A, T, H, A, V, A, A, W, Ow, A, Z, as. So what we did today, we blend the letter A with all the consonants. So that's why you have to do with each the consonant. I will share the next video with the all the remaining consonant. Ab, ek, ad, af, ag, as, ak, al, am, an, ap, ak, ar, as, at, av, ev, S. This is how you have to teach your kids with each vowel. And after that, it will easy for them to learn the family word as add family, app family and all. I hope you like today's video. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.